Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some beautiful red cabbage chips that make for a great garnish. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We're going to be using half of a red cabbage. First, set a mandolin to 1 millimeter or less and finely shred the cabbage. You can also use a knife and finely slice it. Transfer the shredded cabbage into a medium-sized saucepan and add 2.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it starts to boil, turn the heat off and let it cool. Strain the broth using a fine sieve. You should have 2 cups of red cabbage broth. Save the shredded cabbage and add the liquid back into the pan. Then add 4 tablespoons of potato starch. Stir it well to combine. Turn the heat on and continue to whisk until the mixture thickens and turns into a gel. This should take only a few minutes over medium-high heat. Next, line some baking trays with parchment paper. Then, spread spoons full of the mixture like so. Then, add some of the shredded cabbage on top and press it into the gel. When spreading the gel, try to keep it between 1 to 2 millimeters in thickness. Red cabbage is a great pH indicator. As you can see, my tap water is very alkaline. That's why the gel and the cabbage have turned blue in color. If I just add a few drops of vinegar into the mixture, it turns acid and more of a red color. Place the trays in a preheated oven at 175 Fahrenheit, 80 Celsius to dehydrate. It should take between 2 to 3 hours for the chips to be completely dry. You can also use a dehydrator. Let the chips cool down, then detach them from the parchment paper. As you can see, once the chips dried and all the water evaporated, they went back to the original color of the red cabbage. Heat up some oil over medium-low heat to 300 Fahrenheit, 148 Celsius. Then quickly fry the chips. The moment they start to pop and form some bubbles, they are ready. Drain the chips over some paper towel and sprinkle them with some salt. Be careful for the oil not to get too hot, or the chips will puff up when fried. And these beautiful red cabbage chips are ready to garnish some dishes. Some may ask what they taste like. Well, they taste like red cabbage. And here is how I'm serving them today. Some red cabbage sauerkraut and apple salad. A potato crusted pork chop schnitzel. A mushroom, mustard and cream sauce. Then, garnishing it all with these beautiful red cabbage chips. And it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna finish this dish.